XRP holders, we just got our most important news in years. It now appears that the lawsuit against XRP is finally coming to an end tomorrow. This is not a drill, this is the real deal. So let's go ahead and catch up to speed to where we're at. Now there's a lot of developments with the XRP versus SEC lawsuit, and we kind of know what happens when there is bad news regarding the SEC lawsuit. This is when the SEC lawsuit was launched. We also know when there's good news regarding SEC, that's when Gensler stepped down. So what is the latest news and what is the price impact? I'm going to give you a price prediction at the end of this video for XRP, but catching up, the SEC lawsuit remains ongoing. It began back in December 2020 when the SEC alleged that Ripple sold XRP as an unregistered security. That chart that we just showed you, this was the announcement of the lawsuit. XRP fell almost 80% in about a month. It was a very, very bad time to be an XRP holder. But fast forward, July 2023, we got a little bit of a positive development with the XRP case. They ruled it is not a security, but the SEC appealed that decision. Everyone knew they were going to. They filed an appeal October 2024. Ripple has asked for an extension on that appeal to respond, and that's going until April 16th, 2025. And basically, it looks like this legal battle is going to extend into mid-2025. So what is the latest news, and what is going to happen to the price? You said the lawsuit is ending. Well, folks, they're trying to bury this news with a secret meeting. All in Crypto pointed out the SEC will hold another Sunshine Act meeting tomorrow, February 27th. This time, XRP directly mentioned in related documents for discussion at the meeting. So I went straight to the source. This is federalregister.gov. Started pouring through some of these SEC papers. So many, I had to search by SEC and Sunshine Act. And like I said, this is a close to the public meeting tomorrow, and it's going to be held in Washington, D.C. at the SEC Commissioner headquarters. So let's break down what is actually going to be discussed. Now, we don't know for sure. We don't have someone, we don't have a fly on the wall, but it looks like they're going to be discussing XRP. Is something big coming? So the XRP is excited as the SEC prepares for its closed-door meeting February 27th. This follows the recent closure of high-profile cases, Coinbase, Robinhood, and Uniswap Labs. Folks, all of this has happened in the last 72 hours. Uniswap joining Coinbase and Robinhood with dropped charges from the SEC. They have cleared these cases, which will fuel the way for a nice alt season, for a nice DeFi boom. Now, with these legal battles now resolved, attention is turned to XRP, fueling discussion about its status and the SEC's next course of action. So this is the official page we're just looking at here. SEC Sunshine Act meetings, 2 p.m. tomorrow. And like we said earlier, closed to the public. But what does this mean for XRP's price? So we saw when there's bad news, XRP can plummet. Let's talk about some of the good news, because this is great news, and I'm going to give you my price prediction after. So XRP jumped 25% on November 22nd. So what happened November 21st? Well, November 21st was when Gary Gensler decided to step down, and when Gensler stepped down, XRP was already on a huge run. A lot of people thought, well, the gas tank is empty. XRP has doubled in price, more so. It's already a huge market cap. There's no way XRP keeps pumping. It kept pumping, gave people a 6x if they held from the bottom, a little bit of a dip, and then continued to pump, giving people a 7x, 600% pump. So we know XRP poised to pop off of good news, especially after a cool down, especially after consolidating like we're doing right now. Now, XRP lawsuit, you're going to probably see a lot of headlines like this if this goes well. The case is over. This is going to be insanely bullish. We're kind of reporting the news before the news because we're looking at these SEC government documents. But you're going to see a lot of videos and a lot of articles talking about the XRP case is over. So let's talk about the price action. What can potentially happen? Because right now, we are in a pretty bullish structure. This is XRP. Looking at the two historical little patterns here, this is the 2017 rally. We had a nice little consolidating triangle here, and similar to what we're seeing right here. So nice little blast off, then it cooled down, but XRP continued to run. It would actually go ahead and do a 100x, okay? I'm not saying XRP is going to do 100x. It can't do 100x. But XRP did 100x after a mega pump, and people thought, hey, it is over. There's no way it can keep pumping after a 10x. Well, it ended up doing 100x, so obviously it did. Now we're looking at something similar. Now, price prediction, we're using a log chart, so I don't want to do that. And also, for price predictions for big coins like XRP, I like to use Bitcoin. So I want to price XRP in Bitcoin, and maybe that can give me some sort of indication of where we're going to be heading. So this is the XRP Bitcoin chart. This is XRP priced in Bitcoin. Each XRP represents this much of a Bitcoin, so a small fraction. Now XRP has pumped into this little box. This is a previous trading range. There's a huge fluctuation in this range. If it hits the bottom of the range versus hitting the top, you're looking at an additional 50% pump. Now that might be a little bit unlikely, but just wanted to throw that on your radar. So right now, XRP is beaten down when it comes to being priced in Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and measure, if XRP gets back in this previous trading range. It hit in 2013, 2015, 2017, 18, and then has last been in there around February, April 2019. So we're trying to get back into this trading range. It starts right around 7,000 Satoshis. So we get a nice little pump. We get into the range, looking at around 180% pump. It's going to be a 2.8x. So let's go ahead and do a little price analysis. So I want the freshest data, 222. All right, I'm not calling out football plays. I'm calling out XRP price predictions here. So we're going to do the math, pricing it in Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, it's around 90K. I think Bitcoin can double in price when XRP finds a top. So we're trying to price XRP in Bitcoin at $180,000 Bitcoin. That's going to be a 2x. And now we're going to pump up to this range, 2.8x. So we got to multiply 2.8 times 2 times XRP's price. That's going to give us our price analysis here. So we got 222. Let's go ahead and throw that in. So 222. And here we go. This is the XRP price analysis. Looks like XRP can go to $12. So that is my price prediction if all goes well and XRP can get back into this Bitcoin trading pair range. Now, I'm not going to give you the 100x. I don't know, we're going to see a $200 XRP soon, but I am betting on XRP going up here. So it looks like we just got a little bit of a pullback. I may have opened this trade a little early. We're on LBank. We're going to have a link down below, and we're just playing with a little house money here, and we're just going to go ahead and long XRP. So boom, got my trade in. We got a link down below for LBank if you want to get your trades in. I recommend low leverage. Don't be a degen like me. But I'm DZ for Discover Crypto. Hopefully you XRP holders out there, this gives you a little bit of a bright light at the end of the tunnel. $12 XRP, a lot more doable than I first thought, folks. So that's all I got. Hopefully I'll see you in your Ripple bags at the top.